The issue that I have with this is what? It's the fact that when we look at the situation and we see the situation that the Muslims are in all around the world, to tell someone, okay, well, listen, this isn't what you're supposed to be talking about. For him to say, okay, your role is to tell us about the Salah and things along these sorts. Don't talk about these things. What are you trying to be, a social activist? It's not about social activism. But as a Muslim, whether we're a talib al-ilm, not a talib al-ilm, a scholar, whatever, we should be worrying about the good of mankind. We should be bringing to people's attention the injustice that's going on. And we definitely shouldn't be arguing and fighting amongst us as to who has the right and who does not have the right to talk about something that is going on out in the open that everyone can see. So this is why it's important that we bring these things to light.